In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect AirPods to Samsung S25 Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though AirPods are primarily designed to be used with iOS devices, mainly iPhones, you can still use it with any other device, including Samsung smartphones. So this connection will be done over Bluetooth. So, to do this connection and use your AirPods within your Samsung device, you don't have to download anything. You just have to set up Bluetooth. So, go into the settings on the Samsung device and access the Bluetooth category. Usually, it is going to be around connections. So, when you go inside of the Bluetooth settings, first ensure that it is enabled, and with Bluetooth enabled, it is now time to choose the AirPods as the device to pair. Usually, if you open the AirPods case or you open the lid on the case, this will automatically put them into pairing mode. As long as the AirPods themselves are inside of the case, pairing mode will be initiated automatically. But if it doesn't happen right away, then press and hold this button at the back. This will manually enable pairing mode. So either open the case with the AirPods inside and see if pairing mode begins immediately, and if it doesn't, press and hold the button on the case for a few seconds. Once pairing mode has been enabled, they are going to appear on the list of available devices, and with this done, you can select them here. Once you choose them, they will be used for all of the media that plays on your Samsung device, and they will remain connected until they run out of battery. When they run out of battery, you just charge them again, and the next time that you try to pair them, they will be selectable right away, so you don't have to manually repeat the pairing process. It's as simple as connecting them once, and they will remain connected under the list of registered or paired devices. This will work for all models of AirPods as long as they have Bluetooth connectivity. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to Samsung S25 Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.